I wanted to give everybody a little bit of an update on my channel. First of all, the day I got back my graphics card from XFX, within a few hours of installing it, I was hit by malware that was messing up my internet for all of the devices. So it's been it's been a struggle to get that taken care of. And I wanted to update you that I have received my shipment from Frozen CPU, and you'll see it right now. So these are all the fans that I ordered. Well, that's not a fan, that's my dinner. So as you can see, I've got a few more fans than before to review and compare. In addition, I ordered 3 coolers. One of them, for some reason, I did not receive, and that was sad because it was a Noctua, but I did get refunded for that. But I have this Silverstone, which I don't hear a lot about, and Akasa, which I hear even less about. And I also managed to pick up this fan controller in order to help control the fans while I'm testing them. Now, in addition to that, I've got a bag of Mod-Right silencers, which are basically just gaskets to help reduce vibration between the fan and the case or radiator. And I've got a whole bunch of thermal pastes here to test out, and I got a couple of adapters for cables as well. That was my son, by the way. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. One more thing, well, 2 more. I also got the insulation for the sound box that I'm going to be making, and I got the case that I'll be using to test out fans and coolers for noise. So it's the Core V1 from Thermaltake. And finally, I received a replacement for, well, not a replacement, but a different anemometer for testing fan speeds and airflow. This one is supposed to be from Von Voisin, but on the device itself, it doesn't have that name, and on the package and on the case that it comes in, it says Professional Instruments. So I think, maybe that's a little bit of a weird thing. And so it comes with everything I need. Oh, sorry, there is Von Voisin on the back. I can even mount this on a tripod. I'm going to test it out and see if it's any good. If it's not, I'll return it and get my money back and try another one. I'm hoping this is going to be good. This can extend fairly long. If not, I'll try a hot wire from them, and if not that, then I'll try a different company. I'll keep on going until I can get an anemometer that actually does the job right. So that's the update. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.